Is your check engine light on, and you are seeing code P0059? Don't panic. Welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to place for DI car diagnostics, repair tips, and auto tech breakdowns. Today, we're diving into another trouble code, P0059. What does it mean, what causes it, and how can you fix it? Let's get in sensor. P0059 is a diagnostic trouble code that refers to a problem with the heated oxygen sensor, specifically the heater circuit in Bank 2, Sensor 1. The PCM or ECM detects that the sensor isn't heating up properly or has an unusual resistance value. This sensor is located before the catalytic converter on the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. It helps the engine control how much fuel to use. Common causes of P0059. Number 1. Faulty oxygen sensor. The most common cause is a malfunctioning O2 sensor heater element, which may have high resistance or be completely open. If testing confirms the sensor's heater is faulty or out of spec, replacement is usually the solution. Number 2. Wiring issues. Damaged, corroded, or shorted wiring and connectors in the O2 sensor circuit can prevent the heater from functioning properly. Look for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections in the sensor harness. Repair or replace as needed. Number 3. Faulty engine control module, ECM. Although rare, the ECM could have an internal fault causing it to misread the sensor or fail to control the heater circuit. If everything else checks out, a professional technician may need to test the ECM's output to the heater circuit. Number 4. Blown fuse or relay. Some vehicles use a fuse or relay specifically for the O2 sensor heater circuit. If blown or faulty, it can trigger the code. Verify that the fuse and relay for the O2 sensor heater circuit are intact and functioning. Number 5. Exhaust leaks near the sensor. Leaks can cause false readings or interfere with the sensor's normal operation. Although this is less commonly linked to heater performance, after repairs, clear the code using an OBD scanner and test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. In most cases, simply replacing the faulty oxygen sensor solves the problem. Just make sure to use a quality OM or O equivalent part. Car repair pro tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules. Thanks for watching.